Hi folks, Russ with ProSteam UK here. Today we are working on some Karndean flooring, and I'm going to walk through now and just explain what's going on here. The flooring in the kitchen over there where the machine is, you'll notice has a bit of a sheen to it. Now, even though the tile is exactly the same in the kitchen as it is here in the hallway, the batch in the hallway was laid, and it didn't have a sheen to it at all. It was almost a matte finish. So what we've got to try and do today is blend the two in together so they look almost the same. And the way we're going to do that, we are going to use our Accentra machine to scrub and take, hopefully, the factory finish from the tile. And it's very easy to see here. Okay, you can definitely see that there is a difference between here and obviously there. Okay, let's move down a little bit more. So the first stage will be removing the very top layer, and then what we're going to do is we're going to repair the entire floor using Dr. Schutz's PU sealer. And what that will do, hopefully, is it will achieve a very even finish across the whole floor, so the whole floor looks exactly the same. Right, we have deep cleaned and extracted all the dirt from this floor, and the next stage we're going to tack the floor using a tack cloth. The tack cloth is going to attract any dust or dirt or anything that may be still on the surface, and then straight after that we're going to apply our PU sealer. Now, if we stand here, you can clearly see that it's almost like a different tile. So the batch that has been fitted in the hallway most definitely is very different to the existing floor that was already here. So the colour is completely different, as you can see. You can't match two tiles next to each other if they're a different colour, and you can clearly see that. These are dark and these are light. Okay, could it have been a poor choice of tile when the fitters were fitting? I don't know. Maybe it was just darker, but anyway, there you go. We're going to apply the PU sealer to this floor. There is quite a scratch here. I don't know if we can get this on video. Yep, you can see it right in the middle of the screen now. You can see a scratch that's running along the tile. It ends up about here. The PU sealer will actually help to mask that and fill those scratches in. Anyway, we'll come back to this after several coats of PU sealer, and then we'll see how it's looking then. Right, we're all done. The time is 4 o'clock. We've been on this since 9 o'clock this morning, and let's do a little walk through the main kitchen area. All the kickboards are removed so we can get right underneath. Everything looks really nice now, I have to say. But the main concern was trying to match up two areas. The area out there was laid after this area here. So two completely different batches of tile. Even though they're the same make and the same series or model, they didn't look like a match. Out there was completely dull, and out here in this area where I'm stood, had a bit of a sheen to it, but now, as you can see, the floor looks pretty even. We've applied a satin finish. This is a PU sealer we've applied here, extremely durable. Adds about 40 microns of thickness to the top layer of the floor, and as you can see, it's very even. It's exactly the same finish throughout now. So there you have it, folks. If you have Karndean or Amtico flooring and you're having problems with how it looks, maybe you've had new flooring laid in one area and you want it to try and match another area, this is the way to do it. So there you have it.